Unroll the outer board and now cut off the excess. Here we are measuring the outer board. It's 100 millimeters in height. And 320 millimeters in length. Apply glue to the cylinder, a thin layer of glue all the way around. Make sure that you've got glue all over the cylinder. And now a thin layer of glue onto the outer board. And then wipe your area clean afterwards. With the seam facing you of the inner board, wrap the outer board tightly around the inner board, using your clamps to secure the two parts together. And your seam will almost meet, and become the outside join. Use clamps to assist with this process. Now you're going to apply masking tape all the way down the seam. Masking tape to the outside seam.